Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about an article that came out by the Toll Authority that says Toll Authority warns pedestrians fined. And we're going to go through the article and discuss it. So apparently the Toll Authority doesn't want people walking on the highway. I found this article very interesting because I did not even realize this was a problem. So let's go through the article and then we discuss it after. The Toll Authority of Jamaica is advocating for legislation that will grant it the power to fine persons on the toll roads and motorists for tailgating. The authority also wants legislative authority to regulate advertisement on toll roads as well as make it mandatory for future concessions to pay toll monitoring fees to the agency. Minister of Transport and Mining Honorable Audley Shaw made the disclosure during his contribution to the 2022-23 sectorial debate in the House of Representatives. The authority is further seeking empowerment to apply monetary sanctions on toll operators for non-compliance in the remedying of any defective damage to the toll road infrastructure, Mr. Shaw said. He also informed that the escape lanes on the North-South Highway are being renovated to bring them closer to the American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials standards. Meanwhile, Mr. Shaw said the issue of responsible toll use and safety remains a major concern for the country. He argued that despite the challenges, there is renewed hope with the launch of the United Nations' second decade of action for road safety, where Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness confirmed Jamaica's adaptation of the safe systems approach. Adaptation of the safe systems will have a positive and wide-ranging effect on road safety policy and strategic outlook, as it requires shared systematic responsibility for ensuring safe roads, safe road users, safe speeds, safe vehicles, and quality post-crash care. The UN's second decade of action aims to reduce road traffic fatalities by 50% globally, Mr. Shaw said. Alright guys, so that's the article. So I found it very interesting where they said they wanted to fine pedestrians for walking on the Toll Authority of Jamaica is advocating for legislation that will grant it the power to fine pedestrians on the toll roads. Now tailgating, you can understand, that is where you drive up behind a car and go through before the arm comes down so you don't have to pay the toll. And I didn't know advertising on the toll roads were even an issue. So, very interesting article. I didn't know, but how would, I guess, motor persons walk anywhere? But it's very dangerous to walk on a highway, especially at night. But apparently it's being done and they want to fine persons. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let us know, give us your feedback on the article. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.